Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody is having an amazing day. I know everybody has been interested in what's going on, so I am doing a short little update video on where we're at, what's been going on, when I'm coming back, all of that good stuff. So, as you can see, we are in a different setup. I was able to purchase my camper. It is big enough for me and the dogs, and what few things that I am bringing with me in my new start. So, we were able to purchase the camper. I did get my truck into the shop. At first, they said it was some gasoline and oil mixed with the spark plugs. The distributor was put on out of time. They quoted me $350. Then they called me back a few days later and told me that the engine was blown, the valves were shot, and it would be $160 for what they looked at it, and basically my truck is dead. So that's where we're at on that. I do want to say thank you so very much for the people that reached out, whether it was with kind words, prayers, support, donating. I did get rid of quite a bit of my makeup, and I really thought it would be harder than it was. Mind you, it was difficult, but at the end of the day, it's just makeup. I only have one face, and it was crazy how much makeup I had purchased and tried to keep up with everybody in the last year and a half. No. So, I was able to sell quite a bit of it and help other people with their collections, but I'm going to keep mine to a very minimal, realistic degree. Now, I do have some favorites. Trust me, I do, and I did keep quite a bit of my favorites. But I do want to turn this into more than just a beauty channel. I want to come in here and talk and see how everybody's doing, what they're thinking, how they're feeling, the things I do along the way to renovate and renew the camper. I will put in some pictures of what the camper looked like when I purchased it. I did also do a short walkthrough video at about 4 or 5 trips of stuff in here. And then when I get done shooting this part of the video, I'm going to do another walkthrough of what it looks like now. And I would say for the most part that I'm a little over halfway moved. I have been staying here. The dogs have become accustomed to it, which is nice. I do have an extra dog that I wasn't anticipating having, but I'm a dog mom. I don't really care. They go outside. It's cool. The water still needs to be hooked up, things like that. And it's slowly and surely coming together. I did apply for a few jobs online. I'm waiting to hear back from that. But, yeah, you can see what I've gotten, what I've done with it, how I've made it my own. I will say that after 5 years in a house, you tend to collect a lot of things. I'm just blown away at all the crap that I have that just sits. I don't really do anything with it. It just kind of sits there. So I was amazed at that. But no, I am enjoying my space. Things are going a lot better. I wasn't anticipating the truck, but it is what it is. I will get a job hopefully soon, and either purchase a new vehicle or use new vehicle. And I'm going to put a motor in my truck. I love my truck. I'm not getting rid of my truck. I have given up a lot, and I anticipate that my truck will not be one of those things. So that is what's going on. I can say I feel better. I am sleeping a lot better. The dogs seem to be more happy. Me and the ex have talked. He's at that stage where he wants to work on it now, and I've done past that stage of trying to keep us both there. I'm just past it. You can really only deal with so much before things become way more than you bargained for. So, I am safe. I'm having a lot of ums. I just don't want to leave anything out. I was able to purchase some things for the camper that I was going to need. Like, I purchased a new refrigerator. When I first moved in here, I had borrowed my parents' portable propane heater, and I did buy my own. It was half the size, but I feel more comfortable with it. If something should happen, the electric should go off, and me and the dogs are in my room, I don't feel like it will get too hot in here to start a fire. So I was happy about being able to purchase that. But I mean, we are doing good, and I hope it just gets better and better. I did receive a couple of boxes. I will probably be unboxing those. I don't know if anybody wants to see them, but if they do, it will be there. I can say that my BoxyCharm, I was very happy with what I got. I did end up getting the palette that I wanted. I have yet to play with the palette from last month, so there's that. I'm sure that that is a given. But things are going good. I will say, on my eyes today, I did try a new palette. I had been saving this palette to do a collab. Well, that's not going to happen now. But I used the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk on my eyes, and it came out just such a pretty look. The shimmer that I have on is not out of there. It is a loose pigment. I just threw everything in my makeup bag so that I could tell y'all. It is the NYX Shimmer Down pigment. It's super, super pretty. Super sparkly, but not blinding. So I did enjoy that. I also ended up, before all of this happened, I ended up getting the Pretty Vulgar Resting Niche Face palette. I love this. I enjoy Pretty Vulgar's formula. I think their packaging is just super cute. I have finally collected all 4 of their eyeshadow palettes. Macari just kills me. And I like it, so let me know down below if you got that, what you're thinking of it. This, while this was a birthday gift, I do like the colors that I picked. I do like the eye look that I made. But for the price point of this, I don't know, I expect more color. This is very bland and drab, in my opinion. So, while I wanted Charlotte Tilbury in my life at one time, but that's just me. Everybody has their own opinion, and everybody is allowed to say and tell their own opinion. But that's what's going on here. And comment down below. Let me know what you're doing, what you're thinking, what you think of the camper. Would you like to see videos of the ceiling and the paneling and the water lines and all of that? I think I want to close in the bottom of the camper so that animals can't go through there. It just looks better, that kind of thing. So let me know if y'all are interested in seeing that. Like I said, I do appreciate all the people that reached out, the people that are true friends, and I'm going to do a little rant, and I do apologize, but 2021, I am no longer going to be stepped on. I am no longer going to be pushed aside or swept under the carpet for anybody that's in my life. So, obviously, this person is no longer in my life, and that was not by my choice, but it happened none the same. Watch who you're making friends with. There's a lot of backstabbing and two-facedness, and YouTube, girls, guys, it's full of it. Never in my life. Even in high school, I don't remember it being like this. But hey, you know, 43 years old, let's try something different. Let's fight with grown-ass women. So, watch who your friends are. Watch what you're saying. If you want to say it to somebody's face, don't say it behind their back. Like I said, to the people that actually care, that actually give a damn about somebody else, thank you. I appreciate it. I really do. So, let's continue on this new journey, and that's where we're at, guys. So, here's my YouTube blah, because that's how I feel about it. Subscribe, hit the thumbs up, hit the bell. Y'all know how to do YouTube. If you want to watch, hit the subscribe button. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. And if you ain't got a second to say hi, girl, you need to slow down. Alright, guys, that's it. Till next time. Bye.